Hi children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. Today we will know about the lesson, the stolen bell. The stolen bell. In this lesson we will know about the bravery. All of you children open your textbook, Weavers. This is the English textbook in 3rd class, Weavers. Open the page number 15. Here the stolen bell. The lesson is the stolen bell. Here look at the picture here. One young woman and some other children are going to somewhere. Long ago a small village lay between a forest and a hill. One day a thief stole a large shiny metal bell from the village temple. A few villagers ran after him, but he ran very fast and disappeared into the forest. Once inside the forest, the thief found a clump of trees and sat its shade to rest. Here underline the clump. The hard word is clump. Here the meaning, a small group of trees growing very close to each other. Next, on top of the hill lived a troop of monkeys. One day, while looking for fruit in the forest, one of them spotted the stolen bell. He picked up the bell and shook it few times. The jingle of the bell made the other monkeys laugh. Happy, he cried it up to the top of the hill. Here the picture, the thief ran in the forest. Here one tiger is here. Every night one of the monkeys would ring the bell while the others laughed and enjoyed its jingle. However, the sound of the bell ringing on the hill every night frightened the villagers. Turn the page, children. In the village, there lived an elderly man called Baba. Everyone thought he was very wise. They decided to ask him why the bell rang on the hill every night. Baba said, the thief who stole the bell from the temple has died. His ghost rings the bell every night. All the villagers believed the story except for the headman and an old woman called Amma. You see, Amma did not believe in ghosts. Next morning, the headman, underline the old headman, means leader of the village. Headman means leader of the village. Next morning, the headman announced, I will reward the person who finds out why the bell rings on the hill at night. Amma heard this and thought of a plan. That evening, she went to the market and brought a basket of fruits. At night, she carried it to the hilltop and waited until one of the monkeys started ringing the bell. Hearing the bell, she ran towards the sound and found herself under a tree. She looked up and saw a monkey holding the bell. She placed the fruit basket under the tree. The monkey dropped the bell and jumped down to eat the fruit. The other monkeys joined him too. Amma quickly picked up the bell and ran down the hill. She kept the bell safely in her house. Here, the monkey is on the tree. Look at the picture here. Amma. He is a old woman. Amma picked up the bell and ran from there. And monkeys are eating the apples, fruits. Next one. The next morning she went to the headman. She gave him the bell and said cheerfully, the ghost will not ring the bell anymore. Amma told the headman how she had found the bell. The headman rewarded her with a bag of gold coins and said, Amma, you are the bravest and the wisest person in our village. So children, this is our lesson. You have to read carefully at your home. And what we learn from this story, we will learn the braveness, about the braveness. So children, in any circumstances or any situations in your futures, don't lose your confidence. You will face the problems with the confidence. So this is the message from this lesson. And here complete this chart to show how the monkeys found the bell. Look at the chart here. We will complete this. The village lay between a forest and a hill. You have to write hill. Next, the thief stole the bell from the village temple. The thief stole the bell from the village temple. Next one, the villagers chased the thief, but he disappeared into the forest. Right here, forest. The thief saw a tiger in the forest. Write the tiger. He dropped the bell and ran away. He dropped the bell and ran away. Next one of the monkeys found the bell while looking for fruit. One of the monkeys found the bell while looking for fruit. Turn the page, children. Choose the correct options to complete the sentences. The monkeys lived. The monkeys lived in the forest on top of the hill near the village temple. The correct answer is that on the top of the hill. You have to tick the right mark. Next one, the monkeys would ring the bell. The monkeys would ring the bell at sunrise, in the evening, at night. At night is the correct answer. Here you tick that. Amma and the headman went to the top of the hill, decided to catch the ghost, did not believe Baba's story. Did not believe Baba's story is correct. You have to put the right mark. Next one, the village headman rewarded Amma with. The village headman rewarded Amma with prizes and bag of gold coins, a small hut and some land, the bell and some monkeys. The first one is correct, prizes and a bag of gold coins. You have to tick here. Next one, the headman said Amma was the bravest villager because. The headman said Amma was the bravest villager because she did not believe in ghosts. She was not afraid of monkeys. She was not afraid to carry out her plan. So this is the correct. She was not afraid to carry out her plan. Give it right here. So children, this is our lesson for today. We will meet on next class. Thank you.